Welcome to Part 7 of our video series on detailed reading of the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023. Please check the Part 1 to get an overview of the various chapters in the DPDP Act, Part 2 for detailed review of Chapter 1, Part 3 for detailed review of Chapter 2, Part 4 for detailed review of Chapter 3, Part 5 for detailed review of Chapter 4, and Part 6 for detailed review of Chapter 5. In this video, we'll be reviewing Chapter 6 of the Act, covering its key sections and compliance structure. As discussed in the Part 1 video, the DPDP Act 2023 is organized into 9 comprehensive chapters, and scope of this video is Chapter 6, referred to as Powers, Functions, and Procedure to be followed by Board by the Act.
Chapter 6 has only 2 sections. Section 27, concerning the powers and functions of the board, and Section 28, regarding the procedure it must follow. Key takeaways are the board's civil court powers and its operational mode, digital by design. Section 27 outlines the board's powers and functions. Per subsection 1, these include directing urgent remedial or mitigation measures and imposing penalties following a personal data breach intimation under Section 8. It also covers inquiries and penalty imposition based on data principal complaints or government references concerning breaches by a data fiduciary. Continuing with subsection 1, the board also has the power to inquire and impose penalties upon a complaint regarding a breach by a consent manager. It can also act on intimations of a consent manager's registration condition breach or on a central government reference regarding an intermediary's breach of Section 37 provisions. Furthermore, as per subsection 2, the board can issue necessary directions for the effective discharge of its functions after hearing the concerned person and recording reasons in writing. Per subsection 3, upon representation or reference, the board may modify, suspend, withdraw, or cancel any such direction with appropriate conditions. Section 28 details the board's procedure. As per subsection 1, it functions as an independent digital office, adopting techno-legal measures. Per subsection 2, the board takes action on intimations, complaints, references, or directions. It must determine if sufficient grounds exist to proceed with an inquiry, as given in subsection 3, or close proceedings if grounds are insufficient, recording reasons in writing, as given in subsection 4. Further, as per subsection 5, if sufficient grounds exist for an inquiry, the board can inquire into a person's affairs to ascertain compliance with the Act. Per subsection 6, all inquiries shall follow the principles of natural justice, with reasons for actions recorded. Per subsection 7, for discharging its functions, the board has the powers of a civil court, including summoning persons, receiving evidence via affidavit, and inspecting documents. As given in subsection 8, the board or its officers cannot prevent access to premises or take custody of items that adversely affect the day-to-day functioning of a person. Continuing with Section 28, per subsection 8, the board can seek the services of any police officer or government officer for assistance, and they must comply. Per subsection 10, during an inquiry, the board may issue interim orders after providing a hearing. As per subsection 11, upon completion, the board will either close proceedings or proceed in accordance with Section 33. If a complaint is false or frivolous, the board may issue a warning or impose costs on the complainant, as per subsection 12. We recommend the Culpy Quiz app, available on the Google Play Store, to test your knowledge of cybersecurity, the DPDP Act, and other important topics. The app offers various levels of difficulty and interactive assessments to improve your awareness. Thank you for watching this video relating to the raw reading of the DPDP Act. Hope you now know more about the chapters of DPDP Act. This was the 11th video in this series released by DPDPAmentor.in. Please visit our YouTube channel, DPDPA Mentor, as well as our website, DPDPAmentor.in, regularly to check out other informative resources. Wishing you a successful DPDP Act implementation.